Everything in the whole curriculum is centered on that one goal, to prepare men for gospel ministry in local churches, both here and across the world.
They made no apologies for the fact that they required more languages than any other seminary, that it was a minimum 4-year MDiv, where most seminaries are a minimum 3-year MDiv. And I liked that. I wanted that. I wanted to be thoroughly prepared.
Your seminary education isn't just about content, although content is critically important. It's also about developing a certain character, developing a certain cast of mind, preparing yourself for the rigors of what you should be doing when you're in the ministry.
We're called to worship God through our intellectual pursuit of Christ. But then at the very same time, that pursuit of Christ must be so that we can love his people.
But while it may not be easy, it will prepare you for the rest of your life and for the ministry that God has called you for decades to come.